In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to email integrations in Monday.com. This useful feature is perfect for enhancing your workflow efficiency and keeping everything in one place. So let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate Gmail with your Monday.com account to manage attachments effectively. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the board on Monday.com where you want to set up the integration. This is where you'll be managing your tasks and emails. So make sure it's the correct board that aligns with your current project or workflow needs. Once you're on the right board, glance over to the corner of your screen where you'll see the integration button. Clicking on Integrate will open up a whole host of integration options available to you. But for our purpose today, we need to focus on integrating Gmail. In the integration window, there's a handy search bar at the top. Here, you'll want to type in Gmail. After you've done this, Gmail should pop up as an option for you to choose. Simply click on Gmail to proceed to the next step. After you click on Gmail, you'll be greeted with a list of templates that can be used for various automation and integrations. These templates are incredibly useful as they provide pre-configured settings and actions you might want to take with your emails within Monday.com. Decide which template best suits your needs and click on Use Template. Once you've selected your template, the next step is to connect your Gmail account. You'll be prompted to log in or give the necessary permissions to allow Monday.com to interact with your Gmail. This step is crucial as it forms the bridge between your email and your project management on Monday.com. Make sure you follow through with any prompts or permissions to connect successfully. With your account connected, you're all set to add attachments to your emails. Now let's move on to actually writing an email. Navigate back to your board and start composing your email as you would normally do. When it comes to adding an attachment, simply look for the Add File option in your email composition window. Clicking this will let you browse your files to upload the necessary documents, pictures, or files that you want to send along with your email. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Gmail with your Monday.com board and learned how to add attachments to your emails, streamlining your communication process right within your project management tool. As you continue to use this integration, you'll likely find that it enhances your workflow, reducing the need to switch between different platforms. Thanks for watching and happy integrating!